on my channel, I had to redefine what really is a niche to me. What does that really mean? And all it really meant is breaking it down into several levels. As a matter of fact, the first level for me, making videos that I enjoy making. Started with my music, making keyboard lessons and inspirational moments of inspiration. That's how it started with me. That was my first level. And the second level was when I began to study the analytics and say, okay, these are the videos I enjoy. These are the ones that people are enjoying. They're coming back, they're subscribing, they're liking, commenting. So I took that information and made it to that third level. So the third level, I began to look at all the analytics and I combined what they like and combined it with what I like, what the system say everyone was enjoying. That gave me an idea to start creating those ideas. And remember, you're not limited to a certain niching down so far that you begin to get bored, because you're going to be doing this for a while. You're probably going to be doing this for a while. So you want to make sure that you don't get so limited that you get bored. So think about that. The first level, creating videos that you enjoy. Second level, the analytics, the information coming back. How did they respond? The third level, how can I make that combine into what I enjoy and be in it for the long-term gain? That's what has helped me. So remember that. For example, for me, it's music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, all of those things locking into different people. Like we said in the beginning, a group of people who enjoy those elements. So remember that when you redefine your niche and evolve it to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level and do it just like that. And the thing about the algorithm, breaking it down into the system, another thing that has helped me is to know that it has to have certain things to give it that boost, to trigger the algorithm, as they say. And one of the things that has helped me in my journey on my channel to trigger the algorithm is to get those views, get more views on our channel. Check out this playlist right here. I put that together, how to increase your views, right here on YouTube. I think that would be a great collection of videos for you to watch next. So check out those videos. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Grab a copy of my books and my music with the links in the description. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.